Ladies and gentlemen, it's Taylor from Quine & Co, and here we have an amazing 4-bedroom home that packs a real punch. It's set really nicely for the sun. You got good sized bedrooms, 2 toilets. It's been beautifully modernised throughout. One of the main features is massive living, both inside and out. First time buyers, investors, young families, welcome to 218 Vogel Street.
It's not that complicated. I don't care, don't need labels. It is what it is, baby, call it what you want. It is what it is, baby, call it what you want. It is what it is, baby, call it what you want. It is what it is, baby, call it what you want.